Skyrocketing taxes. Will it take place? We're hearing a lot in the media right now, and there's some developments that have just come out that I want to make you aware of. So we've heard a lot of scary things come from politicians' mouths over the last several months, and I don't think it's going to be nearly as scary as maybe a lot of people think. And I think what's happened in the last couple of days will prove that out. What's happened is in Congress, they've come out with a proposal. The Democrats have come out with a proposal, not nearly as bad as many people had feared, but still taxes are going up. At the end of the day, I think you should expect that your taxes will go up by 10%. So what I mean by that is if your taxes last year were $100,000, I think your taxes this year will be $110,000. I think you should plan on that. How we're going to get there, I don't know. Politics is really kind of an ugly business, if you will, and we're not done, so we'll see where this takes us. But let me tell you where we are right now, just so you know, a few issues that are on the table right now. First one, there's talking about the corporate tax rate going up from the current 21% to 26.5%. Now that's for C corporations, and most people who have corporations, closely held corporations, are not C corporations. But if you do, that is an increase of about 5.5%. Capital gains, they're proposing that capital gains go from the maximum right now of 20% to 25%. So that's 5 percentage points. It's pretty big. So, but not as much as they had said. They had talked maybe about going to 40%. So that's what's on the table right now, 25%. Now the top rate right now is 37% for individuals. That's your top corporate tax. Top individual tax rate. And that's for people who are making over $450,000 a year for married couples. And that's going to increase to 39.6. Now we were at 39.6 and 40% a few years ago, so it's not absolutely unheard of, but definitely it's an increase. And you got to think, we can't be spending all this money around the world and on COVID and such and not expect to have some tax increases. There's nothing in the proposal right now that would change the 10% cap, the $10,000 cap on state and local taxes. So that means no matter what you pay in state and local taxes, that would include sales taxes, that would include real estate taxes and state income taxes, that's capped at $10,000. No matter how much you pay in those, you could pay $10 million in those type of taxes, you can only deduct the first $10,000 worth. There's no change in that. Some people thought there would be a change. Another kind of ugly thing, which I think I'm not surprised that it's in there, is a reduction in the estate tax exemption. Right now, per person, there's about $11.7 million exemption that's there for federal estate taxes, meaning for husband and wife, you could have almost $24 million of assets when you pass, and your family would not pay any estate tax on that. The proposal right now is reduce that to $5 million per person, or $10 million for a married couple. So there may be some things need to do planning wise there. That's where we're at right now. All I can tell you, it's not going to end up in the same place. Sometime in the next few weeks or months, we'll get a bill that comes down the pike. I think taxes are going up. It won't be as they're saying right now, but keep watching. We will keep you updated. Have a great day.